One of these was worshipped in ancient Egypt. One does not produce electricity: the electric eel, electric ant, electric catfish, or torpedo ray. Which is it? Stick around and find out. Welcome, today we're exploring the electric world of animals. Check out the shocking abilities of 4 creatures who have harnessed the power of electricity in ways that both astound and terrify. So strap in, charge your curiosity, and let's get started on this high-voltage adventure. Allow me to introduce you to an incredible creature, the electric eel. Now don't let the name fool you. It's not an eel at all, but rather a knife fish. This creature calls the shadowy rivers and swamps of South America its home, and belongs to an extraordinary group of freshwater fish known as gymnotiforms. What makes it stand out in the crowd is its unique and electrifying ability. The electric eel is a living biogenerator capable of producing a staggering shock of up to 600 volts with specialized cells named electrocytes. That's 5 times the power of a standard wall socket. Bet you would not want to be around that jolt. The burst of electricity can cause significant harm to a human. The electric shock can potentially lead to muscle spasms, respiratory distress, and even cardiac arrest in extreme cases. It's important to exercise caution and avoid contact with electric eels in their natural habitat. And here's a mind-blowing fact. A species of electric eel, known as E. volti, holds the record for being the most electric animal, delivering a shocking 860 volts. The eel utilizes its electric power for hunting, defending itself, and finding its way around the dark and murky habitats. Here's another fact. The eel was considered a sacred animal in ancient Egypt, and only priests were allowed to consume it. Second on our list is the electric catfish. Like the electric eel, it uses specialized cells to generate electricity. However, the catfish emits a lower, continuous electric field around its body. This electric field serves as a radar system, allowing the catfish to sense its surroundings and detect prey. Fact: the electric catfish generates a discharge of 450 volts. Third on our list is the torpedo ray. This flat, disc-shaped fish inhabits warm coastal waters around the world. The torpedo ray generates shocks of up to 200 volts. They use their electricity to stun their prey, immobilize predators, and communicate with other torpedo rays. Fact: the naval torpedo weapon was named after the torpedo ray due to its similar underwater power and attack style. Fourth on our list is the electric ant. The electric ant is also known as the little fire ant. These ants don't generate electricity like our aquatic friends. Instead, they get their name from the intense electric shock-like pain their sting can cause. Distributed globally, these ants are tiny but formidable, using their painful sting to deter predators and capture prey. Fact: electric ants can survive on the water's surface. They trap air between their hairs, creating a tiny life raft that allows them to float and even cross small bodies of water. The electric eel, the electric catfish, the torpedo ray, and the electric ant. Each of these creatures harnesses the power of electricity in unique and fascinating ways, whether it's for hunting, defense, navigation, or communication. When you hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons, remember that these creatures mastered electricity first. Who knows what other nature-inspired discoveries await?